Ready to start streaming live TV? In this video, I'll guide you through buying an IPTV account seamlessly. First, check out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider.
I am waiting for a bus.
You'll find great deals and instant delivery. Look for reputable sites like U7BUY or U2XU for secure purchases. Avoid scams by verifying platform reviews before buying. Also, compare prices across different services. Sometimes, you can save up to 30%.
Can't fool flexing 'cause they
Remember to check compatibility with your devices and read the fine print. Now that you know these tips, go ahead and grab your IPTV account from the link in the description. Happy streaming!